Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to episode number 6 of last 5 years of CAT paper. Tricks to solve every quant question under 1 minute. In this video, I'll be discussing geometry question of CAT 2020 slot 1. Let's have a look at all these questions, guys. So here is the first question. Question number 20 of this series. 19 questions have been discussed already. This one is from coordinate geometry. You need to know how to draw the graph of it. Let's read the question. It says the area of the region satisfying the inequality mod x minus y less than equal to 1. So first of all, you need to know how to draw the graph of y, how to draw the graph of mod x minus y less than equal to 1. See this, guys, right? You should know that a value inside the mod. I'll tell you the basics. Otherwise, we can straight away draw the graph of this equation, right? If you know how to draw the graph of this equation, you can solve the question in less than 1 minute. But I'm explaining the basics here, how to draw the graph here. See there, guys, value inside the mod of x mod can be greater than 0, it can be less than 0 also. If x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, then you will have this equation as x minus y less than equal to 1. If x is less than 0, in that case, this expression would be minus x minus y less than equal to 1. Now, you know how to make the graph of x minus y equal to 1. If I draw the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, x minus y is equal to 1 can be converted as into the intercept form. X upon 1 plus y upon minus 1 is equal to 1. That means 1 intercept on x-axis and minus 1 on y-axis. This is minus 1 and this is minus 1 on y-axis and positive 1 on x-axis. So this is the graph of x minus y is equal to 1 for x to be greater than 0. And if you look at this equation, you see that minus x minus y equal to 1 is x upon minus 1 plus y upon minus 1 equal to 1. This is the intercept form of a line. That tells us that on x-axis I have an intercept of minus 1. On y-axis I have an intercept of minus 1. So this is the graph of this, right? This is minus x minus y is equal to 1. This is second line. Now I need the region where it should satisfy that mod of x minus y should be less than equal to 1. That means I need the region inside these two lines, right? So this is the region I'm looking for. But I'm looking for the area bounded by y greater than equal to 0. Now you see that y greater than equal to 0 is this line. Y greater than equal to 0 means I'm looking for the area which is above this x-axis, right? Y should be greater than equal to 0. I'm looking for this area. And when I say y is less than equal to 1, I know that y is equal to 1 is this line. So if I draw a line here, y equal to 1, that is y greater than equal to 1. Y greater than equal to 0 means the area which is above this x-axis, above the x-axis. Y less than equal to 1 means area which is below this x-axis. And mod x minus y should be less than equal to 1 means it should be inside this V region. So this is the shaded region that I need to find out. Now you see that this is a trapezium, right? This is a trapezium. And you can answer this question quite easily. This is 0, right? This is 0 and this is y as x0, y1. I just need to find out this point. And this is the intersection of y is equal to 1 and minus x minus y is equal to 1. Now guys, minus x minus y is equal to 1. If I put y as 1 here, I'll get minus x is equal to 2, x will be equal to minus 2. That means the point of intersection is minus 2 here. X is minus 2, y is 1. If I want to find out the area of this region only, similarly, you can also say that if I find out this point of intersection, this line is x minus y equal to 1. X minus y equal to 1. If I put y as 1 here, I'll get the point of intersection as 2. This is x as 2 and y as 1. And you see that this point would be, this point we already know is x1, y0. Now the area of trapezium is what I'm supposed to find out. This line is parallel to this line. right? What is the length of this line? From -2 to 2. What is the length of this line, guys? The -2 to 2. The length of this line is 4. What is the length of this line? -1 to 1, it is 2. Now, area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side, that is 2 plus 4, 6, multiplied by the distance between these two parallel lines. The distance between this parallel line is represented by the coordinate point, ordinate y. So this height is 1. So half into sum of parallel side into height. So the answer to the question will be 3. 3 is the correct answer of the question. Moving at the next question, question from volume, mensuration chapter. It says a solid right circular cone of height 27 centimeter is cut into two pieces along a plane parallel to its base at a height of 18 centimeter from the base. Okay, so you have a cone, right? You have a cone, and this cone has a height of a solid right circular cone of height 20 centimeters cut into two pieces along a plane parallel to its base at a height of 18 centimeter. So at a height of 18 centimeter, you are cutting it by a parallel plane. The whole height is 27. A, B, C, D, E. The whole height is 27. This is 18 centimeter. At a height of 18 centimeter, you are cutting it. So this height would be 9 centimeter. Easy to understand, very easy. Now the difference in the volume of two pieces. Now the difference in the volume of this piece, that is smaller cone, and this frustum is 225. Then what is the volume of the original cone? A very basic question, a standard question of area and volume, that whenever you are cutting a plane, a cone parallel to the base, by a plane parallel to the base, this triangle, you see that this triangle will be similar to this triangle. Now, if this triangle is similar to this triangle, can I apply the similarity? So, what is the height ratio? You see that this is 9, this is 27. The height ratio of triangle ADE and triangle ABC is 9:27, that is 1:3. Can I say the radius ratio will also be 1:3? So, if this is 1 radius, this will be 3 radius. Now, if the volume of this cone is pi into r square, into height 9, then the volume of the larger cone would be pi into r square into height, which is 27. Now this gets cancelled, pi and pi will get cancelled. You see that volume comes out to be in the ratio 1:27. What does it mean? It means if the volume of this part is 1, the whole volume will be 27. And if the whole volume is 27 and this is 1, the volume of the frustum will be 26, right? Volume of the frustum will be 26. This is volume 1, this is frustum volume is 26. And the difference between these two volumes is 225. Now the frustum volume is 26, upper part is 1, the difference between them is coming out to be 25. I want the difference to be equal to 225, which is 9 times. So the whole volume 27 will become 9 times, which is 243. That's it, right? This is 26, this is 1, difference is 25, but I want the difference to be 225. So this is becoming 9 times. The whole volume will also become the 9 times. 243, option 3 will be the correct answer of the question. Question number 22. A circle is inscribed in a rhombus with diagonal 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Now a rhombus is a figure where all sides are equal and diagonals, and both of these two diagonals will bisect each other, right, at 90 degree. Both of these two diagonals will bisect each other at 90 degree. If I'm saying that one of the diagonal is 12 centimeter, can I say this length A to, let's say this is AB, this is CD, this is E. So the length of AE will be 6 centimeter because diagonals bisect each other, and this is 16, so this will be 8 centimeter. And because the rhombus diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, this is 6, this is 8, can I say this would be 10 centimeter. The length of AD would be 10 centimeter. I want to find out the area of the rhombus, ratio of the area of the circle. Now, I am drawing a circle inside this rhombus, right, which is touching all the 4 sides of the triangle, right? So to find out the area of the circle, I need radius. Now, what is radius? I know that radius and tangent are at 90 degrees. So can I say this is the radius of the circle? Now if I want to find out the radius, I need to find out the area of this triangle, and the area of this triangle is nothing but half into 6 into 8, which is also equal to half into base 10 into height, which will be represented in terms of r because radius and tangent makes an angle of 90 degree. This gets cancelled. You get to know the radius r is 48 upon 10, which is 4.8. Or you can say this is 24 by 5. What I'm supposed to find out is the ratio of the area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Radius square 24 by 5 square would be 576 upon 25. And I need to divide by the area of the rhombus. What is area of rhombus? Area of rhombus, you can see that I just need to find out the area of this triangle. What is the area of this triangle? The area of this triangle is 24. And this whole rhombus is made of 4 such triangles. So 24 into 4, area of the rhombus is 96. Right? So just find out the ratio now. You see that this is cancelling on 24. 24 into 24 is 576. This will cancel it on 4. This will cancel it on 6. Okay, just the ratio of the area of the circle to the area of the rhombus. Pi r square, radius is 24. Okay, sorry, this 24 by 5 is 25. 24 by 5 square is 26 by 25. This value is 25, right? 24 into 24, 24 into 4, this will cancel it on 6. And then 6 pi upon 25. Yes, 6 pi upon 25 will be the ratio of the area of the circle with the rhombus. That is option number 1. 1 is the correct answer to the question. These were the 3 questions of area and volume asked in CAT 2020, guys. Thank you so much for watching the session. Guys, next weekly scholarship test is going to happen on the upcoming Sunday at 12 p.m. You can use my referral code LRDI Live to appear for this test. You'll stand a chance to win the scholarship up to rupees 55 lakh. Guys, you can cover your 100% syllabus in next 90 days by following my plus courses on Unacademy. These are the detail of all the plus courses. All you need to do is just attend 2 sessions per day, right? 2 sessions, 2 classes per day, and you will be able to cover the whole syllabus in the next 90 days. And these classes will be live on Unacademy Plus. You can use my referral code LRDI Live to get 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. It's only 3 hours of classes per day. 3 hours per day will give you your whole syllabus in the next 90 days for CAT exam preparation, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part.